Lovely creations are a work of art. Here's one just for you, a beaded heart. The beaded heart charm is a design that is high in demand. It's a cute pattern that can be clipped to nearly anything and fit in the palm of your hand. The perfect design that looks fine, it's one that's just great. So lovely, it's fast, fun, and it's easy to make. So let's get ready for this tutorial to satisfy your creative needs. Feel free to give this video a like and enjoy this episode of TurboBeads. Here's a list of everything you need to make the beaded heart charm. Before starting this project, I'm just letting you know that I'm using Omniflex 15-pound high-strength fishing line. It's a transparent string that's quite nice and worth the price. With that being said, I'm just keeping you informed and just letting you know that this is a personal choice, not a sponsored video. To make the bead heart charm, the first thing you'll need is no more than 1 foot of fishing line. Then we're going to add 8 beads to that string, alternating the colors between red and pink. As you can see, this is exactly how it should look so far. Like I've said before, I have my 8 beads on the string and I've alternated the colors of red and pink. From here, we'll move those beads to one end of the string and tie both ends of string together with a simple knot, which will bring all of those beads together, creating a square shape. Continue watching as I tie the string and you'll see that creating the knot is as easy as it seems. To ensure that the beads stay in the particular shape that you want it, which will be the square shape, let's go ahead and push the red beads toward the center, which will force those beads into a square, giving it a more defined shape. Let me be sure to mention, when tying your string together, be sure that your knot is tied nice and secure, ensuring that all those beads stay locked into place and hold together. You'll want a knot that's nice and secure that'll keep all of those beads in a tight formation. This is what your square should look like once the knot is tied. At this point, you'll see that you'll have 2 ends of string. You'll have that long end of string and a short end of string that we'll use for later. What we'll do is we'll take the long end of string and run it through the pink bead here on the corner. Once you get that string through that bead, you'll pull that string all the way through, which will set us up for the next steps. Now that we have that string through that bead, we're ready to start building on this square by adding beads to that string. As you can see from where we're at, you can see the square and the string coming out of this bead right here. Let's go ahead and start adding beads to this long end of the string. What we'll do is add a total of 4 beads on the string, starting with 1 red bead, followed by 2 pink beads, and a red bead on the end. Here are the 4 beads we should have on the string in this particular order. From here, we're going to take that long end of string and we're going to run it through the next point here on the square. Continue watching as I guide the string through this bead, pulling that string all the way through, bringing everything together with those beads fitting right into place. As you can see, this is exactly how it should look so far. From here, we'll have that long end of string coming out of this pink bead right here in the corner. What we'll do is we'll do exactly as we've done before by adding 4 beads to that string using that same pattern. Again, that's 1 red bead, 2 pink beads, followed by a red bead on the end. Here's a visual of how those beads look on that string. Now that we have those beads on the string, we're going to run that string to the next corner here on the square. Continue watching as I guide the string to this pink bead, pulling that string all the way through, and those beads that were added will stack right into place. From here, we'll have the completed shape of the heart. The next thing we'll need to do is to run the string through a number of beads back to the starting point to ensure that all those beads stay locked into place. So continue watching as I guide the string through the beads to get back to that starting point. Hopefully with this visual, you'll be able to see the path that I've used in order to get the string back to that starting point. Let me be sure to mention to take your time when running the string through these beads, ensuring that you've gone through all of the correct beads, keeping that string hidden within those beads. Once you've ran that string through all of the beads back to the starting point, you'll see that you'll have the long end of string and short end of string coming out of the same bead. From here, you'll be able to tie both ends of string together with a knot, which will keep all those beads locked into place. When tying your string together, be sure that your knot is tied nice and secure, ensuring that all those beads stay locked into place and hold together. With this visual, you'll see that tying the string in the knot is as easy as it seems. Once you have your knot tied and those beads locked into place, all that is left is to carefully cut off the tied loose ends of string, and your beaded heart charm is now complete. And there you have it, another fine bead design that was fast, fun, and easy to make. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful and you can create one just as great. If there's anything you'd like to add, requests or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you are new or you just haven't already, don't forget that you can always subscribe if you want to be notified for more bead tutorials just like this one. Hoping you'll tune in for the next one to satisfy your creative needs. Until next time, as always, thanks for watching TurboBeads.